Excellent. Thank you so much. Officer Harris, I'm gonna, you can unmute the courtroom. I muted the courtroom. Uh-oh, did I mute the courtroom and now I can't get unmuted?
I think they have to unmute from inside the courtroom.
Okay.
What's the courtroom number, Judge?
965-2293.
Hey, can you unmute the courtroom for us? Okay, Judge Harris said that he hit the mute button on the microphone, but it's not allowing him to. Try to unmute now, Harris. I they're asked to unmute. She made me host again. So okay.
All right. If they can't unmute, it's okay, Sandy. We'll just get started. Good morning, everyone. Please keep yourself on mute until I call your case. At that point in time, you can unmute yourself. Oh, there we go.
Got it?
Yeah, we can hear you, Officer Harris.
Okay. 36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no talking, no gum chewing, no smoking, no driving or riding any vehicle, no laying down or lounging. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by one of the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that you may be seen on screen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. I'll be calling Basil Ryrick first.
Hello, Judge.
Hello, good morning. This is the matter of the people versus Basil Ryrick. This is case number 217-248-501. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling case number 217-248-502. One count no insurance misdemeanor. And case number 117-248-04. Count 1, failed to signal or turn or leaving the curb. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ayana Alcindor, House Counsel P79118, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wyrick. Mr. Wyrick, can you state your full name for the court?
Basil Gregory Wyrick.
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for trial and formal hearing. The officer has not appeared on these matters. We ask that they be dismissed.
All right. The time is now 10:06 a.m. No officers have appeared online. So at this time, the court is going to grant that and dismiss this matter without prejudice. Mr. Wyrick, what that means is that I'm dismissing it today, but they do have the right to refile it. But as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay.
right.
Thank
Yes.
you. One question.
Yes.
If they do decide to refile it, how would I know if they refiled it?
You'll get new notifications. So you'll get like new dates and time and something will be mailed to you. Okay, Mr. Wyrick?
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I was about to say, have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. residual. Waiting on. Okay. Jamez Wells.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to call your matter next, okay?
Okay.
All right, this is the matter of the people versus Jamez Wells. This is ticket number 481066. One count, no operator's license in possession. Count two, no insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ayana Alcindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wells. Mr. Wells, can you state your full name for the court?
Jamez Randall Wells.
Mr. Wells would like to avail himself of the plea offer pleading to the amended charge of improper plates.
Is that right, sir?
Yes.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would have been Ms. Alcindor about your case and about your rights.
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
No.
Did you do something? Did you have, well, Ms. Alcindor?
Mr. Wells, remember, these are the yes or no questions that we talked about that the judge is going
Yes.
to go over in order for you to take the guilty plea.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so you're pleading guilty because you are guilty, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Wells, I want to take you back to the date of August the 6th of 2020. Were you at that time driving in the area of East 7 Mile and Yonka Street, Yonka streets in the city of Detroit, a Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on that vehicle? Was there not car insurance on that vehicle?
No.
All right. Satisfied, Ms. Alcindor?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well. Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the count to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plate, count two, and dismiss count one of this ticket. Mr. Wells, how old are you?
20. I'm finna be 21 or 26.
Okay. You don't have your license yet?
Oh, yeah, I got them.
Okay, so you have your license now, you just didn't have insurance on the vehicle?
Yeah.
Are you currently employed, Mr. Wells?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna assess a fine today in the amount of $200, okay? I'm gonna give you 60 days to be able to pay that. Is that gonna be enough time?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna give you until March 14th, 2022 to have that paid, okay, Mr. Wells?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that does conclude this hearing. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
You too.
I will, thank you. All right.
Is that the
Mr. Sean Walker, I'll take your matter next. Unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, ma'am, I'm present.
Okay. These are the matters of the people versus Sean Walker. This is ticket number P11344492. One count drove commercial vehicle without license in possession. Calling you ticket 200-69614. One count of possession of narcotics paraphernalia. U ticket 887-92412. One count of in the park after dark. U ticket 969-74213. One count of disorderly conduct. And ticket number 365042. One count drove unregistered motor vehicle. One count drove while license suspended. 1 count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ayana Alcindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker, can you state your full name for the court?
Sean Adrian Walker.
Mr. Walker would like to avail himself of the plea offer, pleading responsible to 2 counts of blockading and pleading guilty to 1 count of improper plates.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that right, Mr. Walker? You want to take advantage of that offer?
Yes, ma'am. I'd like to do that now.
Okay, if so, can you please raise your right hand for me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I would.
So one of the counts. One second.
Yes.
I don't think I called one of the cases on the that he's pleading to today. Ms. Elcindor, the ticket 1134471. What counts are those?
Expired plates and no proof of insurance.
Okay. No insurance. Okay. Both civil infractions, right?
Yes.
Okay. Right. Also calling for the record before we take this plea, ticket number P113. (4471), count 1, expired plates, and count 2, no proof of insurance. These matters are a part of this plea agreement today, and I failed to call them on the record. All right. Mr. Walker, I want to take your attention back to the date of November the 23rd of 2020. At that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of westbound Davison and Mound in the city of
Yes,
Detroit?
ma'am. Yes,
And while
ma'am.
you were driving that vehicle, did you not have a commercial license to drive that vehicle?
No, ma'am, I didn't.
All right. And did you also, for the record, on that same date, time, and location, Mr. Walker did block traffic? Satisfied, Ms. Elcindor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well, and will enter the plea to the amended charge of blockading on ticket number
That's blockaded.
SP 1134471, counts 1 and 2, and the amended charge of improper plates on ticket number SP 1134492, count 1. The remaining tickets called on this record today will be dismissed. Mr. Walker, the
Yes,
blockading tickets, they both carry a $175 fine, $175. So that's a total of $350. Now, civil infraction tickets, usually you have to pay them in 14 days. Is that going to be enough time for you to pay those 2 tickets?
I'll be able to do it.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to have those tickets due no later than 1, that's January the 27th, 2022. The remaining ticket, I'm going to waive that cost and fine, okay? You need
Yes,
to write it
ma'am.
down. Did you need a pen?
I'm looking now, yes.
Okay, get you a pen so you can write it down. I appreciate that you're trying to write it down. Okay, that's gonna be due $350. It's going to be due on January the 27th, 2022. The remaining ticket that you pled to today, I'm going to waive that fine today. Now, you may have something called reinstatement fees. I'm not waiving any of those. Those are additional costs. You'll have to pay any of those fees. Yes, but you pay them with 36 district court. So even though it's for the Secretary of State to have your license reinstated, you pay those at 36 district court, okay? But have those two fines paid by that point in time and you'll be all set, okay? 127.22, 350.
Yes, ma'am.
There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you, Mr. Walker.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Have a good day. You're welcome, ma'am. Thank you for assisting him today.
You're very welcome.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Oh, Miss Gonzalez Wither, am I pronouncing it correctly, sir?
Hi,
Hi. Did I pronounce it? What the last name is Welter?
Walter.
Welter. Okay. Okay. This is the matter of the people versus Gonzalez Welter. This is ticket number P1144050. One count drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count drove while licensed, not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ayana Alcindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, can you state your full name for the court?
Walter Gonzalez Garcia.
Mr. Gonzalez Garcia would like to avail himself of the plea offer, Your Honor, pleading to the amended charge of improper plates.
Okay.
With the remaining matter being dismissed.
Okay. Did he have papers? Did you want to show? Okay.
Yes, he does have registration, Your Honor.
Okay, so he's just going to plead to the improper plates.
Yes.
All right. All right, Mr. Gonzalez, you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes,
Okay. Do you need a translator, sir?
I have.
I have a translator.
I know, but it has to be a court translator, doesn't it, Ms. Alcindor?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So I didn't realize he didn't speak English. Sir, we're going to have to reschedule this so that you can come back on a day with a court interpreter. I know that whoever that is trying to assist you is trying to help you today, but it has to be someone licensed through the court. So I'm going to have to get another day for this so that we can be able to take care of this matter. You can tell him that.
Tiene que hacer tu cita otra vez. O te van a dar un traductor de corte.
How many weeks do we need, Mary, for us to get an interpreter?
About a week. We just need a week.
Okay. Can you sign back in next Thursday, sir? Are you able to sign back in next Thursday at the same time? Daughter, you can help him and then I'll get your name for the record. Do you understand me, sir?
Yes, they say okay.
Oh, okay. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. So when I asked you to raise your right hand, you're okay? You don't need an interpreter?
No.
Oh, thank you. Because I could hear her speaking in the background. So it just made me feel like you did. Okay. Do you swear or affirm?
When you're speaking fast, I don't hear you.
I will slow down. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. Put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity or a chance to speak to an attorney, Ms. Alcindor, about your case and your rights today?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice
Yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this plea today to improper plates, you're going to give up a right that you had to have a trial, either bench or jury, because you're going to say, I did this today.
yes,
Understanding all of this, did you want to go forward, sir?
yes,
Okay. I want to take you back to the date of December the 9th of 2020. Were you in the area of Grand River and Lawton Streets in the city of Detroit driving a GMC vehicle?
yes,
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have a valid license?
yes. I know how life.
Okay. Satisfied, attorney?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea. Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the count to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates and dismiss count 1 in this particular ticket. So he pled to count 2 improper plates, dismiss count 1. Sir, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. If I give you 60 days to pay that, that will be March 14th. Is that going to be enough time for you to pay that?
It's fine. I want to pay right now.
I know, but just give us at least a day to put it into the computer system, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna have it due no later than that date, and that time. Sir, give us until tomorrow to at least put this into the computer system before you try and pay for it, okay? Because it won't pop up today, all right?
Okay.
Thank you so much, and I'm sorry that I was talking so fast. I apologize.
You're right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You can sign off. Thank you. Yep, we're all set. Okay, Mr. Carlos Williams. All right, we're gonna handle your matters. This is the matters of the people versus Carlos Williams. This is ticket number SP6557552. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SX24991181. One count driver's license never acquired. Case number 162110201. One count no operator's license on person. Ticket number 162110202. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 162220191. One count no operator's license on person. Ticket number 162479021. One count no operator's license on person. Ticket number 162479022. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Case number 162986311. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number or case number 162986312. One count drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number 162986313. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Case number 185044261. One count no operator's license on person. And case number 185082741. One count driver's license never acquired. Z ticket H02861. One count of violation of city marijuana code. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ayana El Sindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, can you state your full name for the court?
Carlos Williams.
Mr. Williams would like to continue his not guilty plea and set this matter for a bench trial.
Mr. Williams, what are you looking at?
Oh.
I can see you. Yeah, I can see everything that you're doing, sir. You're in court right now and live on YouTube, and you're not paying attention. Are you ready to focus for a few moments?
Oh, I'm paying attention.
Okay, all right. Mr. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney? That would have been Ms. Elsender in private about your case and about your rights.
Yes.
And she's informing me that you would like to have a trial in this matter, and that's a bench trial before myself as the trier and finder of the facts.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Miss Mary, that the 31st, I wanted to keep that date open, so I don't want to do it March 31st. Give me another good date close by that, please.
April 6th.
Okay. April 6th, sir, 2022. The matter will be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you'll zoom in on that date and time. I'm going to set your bond. Right now you've paid some bonds, so the bond is going to continue whatever you've paid on. For some of these cases, I can see that there is a bond potentially. Did you come down to the court and pay some money?
Yes.
Okay,
Well,
we're gonna leave that bond money on there in its place right now. We're gonna set this matter for 9 a.m. on April the 6th, okay? Zoom back
Yeah.
in on these matters. Whatever bonds you have paid on these matters will remain. If there are any bonds that aren't paid or any of these cases that don't have bonds, I'll set those at $0 personal. The rest of the bonds will remain as they are, and we'll see you back April the 6th, sir, at 9 a.m., okay?
oh, okay. Thank you.
All right, via Zoom, same way. Okay, we'll see you then. Okay, sir?
All right.
All right, have a
Appreciate
good day. You're welcome. I'll see you later.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye. Gorgeous. Dang, how I get out of here?
Just, so Cinder, don't do that to me. Did you get a, did you get a response on the other matter? Yes.
Yes, Mr. Woods is a dismissal, and Ms. Young is saying her case is for a bench trial.
Okay, and Miss Sandy, you need to say something?
Wondered if I missed her. Did he say throw a kiss?
I don't know if he said throw a kiss.
I heard gorgeous.
I think he said gorgeous. I think he said gorgeous.
I said, oh,
It's a compliment.
thank you. Miss Young, I'm gonna call your matter next, okay? We'll get you a bench trial date as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me find her matter.
Happy Deltaversary as well. My aunt's
Thank
a
you.
Delta.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Okay. This is the matter of, are you ready, Miss Sandy? This is the matter of the people versus Alexis Young. This is case number SP 111-61421, one count of in the park after dark. This is an arraignment on a bench warrant. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ayana Elsender, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Ms. Young. Ms. Young, can you state your full name for the court?
Alexis Young.
For purposes of arraignment, Ms. Young waives formal reading and stands mute.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on her behalf. How are we proceeding in this matter?
Ms. Young would like to continue her not guilty plea and set this matter for a bench trial.
Ms. Young, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, put your hand down, Ms. Young. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would have been Ms. Elsender in private about your case and about your rights.
Yes, I did.
And she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of the facts. Is that how you want to proceed, Ms. Young?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so I'm going to set this matter for April the 6th, 20. Yep, you got a piece of paper.
You said
April the
April
6th.
6th.
Yep, 2022. It's going to be at 9 a.m. Okay. And did you pay a bond? Okay, I'm going to set this matter at $0 personal for her for her bond. So that just means that I have to put a bond in place. Okay, Ms. Young?
That's fine.
All right. So $0 personal. It's going to be Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom back in on that day, same number, and we'll handle this matter at that point in time. Thank you, Ms. Young. That concludes
No
this
problem.
meeting. All right. Have a
Have a
good
good
day.
day.
You
You
too.
too.
Thank you.
Bye.
No, you're fine. And you said the last person is going to be a dismissal?
Yep, there was a amended offer from Attorney Gillis.
All right. Miss Sandy, can you bring him out for me, please? There's just 2 matters on the docket for him, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Judge, I'm gonna have to join him because the main session is not popping up.
Just close it out, Miss Sandy. We don't have anybody else. See the last person. We lose you sometimes when you go in there. That's why I'm like, no. Come back.
I'll warn you next time I go in.
Okay. No. Thank you. Mr. Woods?
Oh, no.
We'll wait a
Yes.
moment to see if he comes back. If not, can you act on his behalf today?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, there he is.
Mr. Woods? Mr. Woods? Richard Woods?
Hello?
Hello? Ooh.
Can't hear you.
So you gotta take your hood off. I can't see you.
Can you hear me?
I can kind of hear you. Got to stop moving now. You're going back into some place that you can sit still and you can take your hood off so I can see you.
Oh, okay.
Give me a second. I just came outside. I've been on this thing for like since 8:30, 8:45.
Yeah.
Huh?
Stop moving.
Yo, okay. I'm situated now.
Okay. All right. This is the matter of
Okay.
versus Richard Woods. These matters are ticket P 1093076, 1 count driver's license expired. Also calling ticket number P 1093080, 1 count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ayana Elsindor, House Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Woods. Mr. Woods, can you state your full name for the court?
Richard Lamont Woods, Sr.
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to adopt the recommendation dismissing both of Mr. Woods' matters as he's paid the civil infractions on the tickets.
All right. And because of that, the court is going to dismiss both of these matters without prejudice at this time. Mr. Woods, you're all set. They took care of, your attorney took care of this matter for you and advocated, so.
Thank you guys very, very much. I've been trying to get somebody to help me with this thing for a long time. So finally I can get my license back and get a job. This is horrible.
That's what we want. Absolutely. That's what I want to hear when you say that, okay?
Well, I'm 51 now, so you're kind of on the down slope. There's don't need to be having those type of problems.
That's right. That's right. Not on a down slope. You just in a more seasoned part of your life.
Well, if I can get another 50, that's cool, but
Understandable. So you have a good day, Mr. Woods, okay? And good luck with your job search.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Right. That's it, I think.
We had a nice friendly bunch today.
We did. That was all right. Nobody went off on us. God